World stop. Carry on.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call it. So the first thing I always like to go in is to go in with my moisturizer. That's after I've used my Vaseline gel on my lips. So this is a cucumber moisturizer. I prefer this because it's thick. Aside for my brow area, and while I'm waiting for that to dry, I start with my brows. So I'm using this brow gel. I got it from the dollar store. So what I do is to use it to shape in my brows before it dries down. So one trick I've learned over the years is that whatever you do to the right side, you do to the left side, just to make your brows identical twins, not fraternal twins. You get what I mean? I'm just going to be nice to just fill in. I'm done with my brows. I'm going to go with my primer. So it's currently getting hot. Normally I use just a few drops of primer, but since it's getting hot now, I'm going to be using a lot because I have an oily skin. Anyway guys, I wanted to gist you about some things that I've been noticing in this area, or in Canada, in Ontario. I don't know about any other area, but in Ontario, and my skin is glowing today. So one time I went to the pub, I was coming back. Things I've seen. See, because in this area, people, like, no one cares about you, so you can do whatever you want to do. If you want to spend your life, like, you've got free way to do that. So I've seen a couple of things, like for example, when I was in Waterloo, I was coming back from the pub, and I think it was about to snow. Then I had to like go into this bus. There's this like, it's not like a bus station, but you know that place where you stay to wait for the bus to come and pick you. Yeah, exactly. So I was there and I saw this couple, and the guy's hand was inside the girl's trousers. I was like, just wait and get home and do whatever you guys want to do. They're young, they are students. In the public, that was so it was somehow. And you know, obviously they thought no one was looking at them, I could see them. I didn't even think the girl was wearing pants that day. I don't know if she was only on any underwear. And so when they noticed that a lot of people were coming to the bus station, they stopped. Then out of nowhere, I saw that this girl was properly dressed. I'm getting my Lumi Glow lotion. So what I like about this is that it's hydrating. I'm using the color 904. Just trying to use as much as possible. And then she just puts her dress, like she was properly dressed, but I'm like, you guys should have just come to your apartment or your house and just do whatever you want to do there. It was so disgusting. Not even you seem like, oh, this is cute. Maybe they are kissing. You're like, oh, this is cute. But this one was something else. Like, there was nothing interesting about what they were doing. There's nothing cute about it like that. I'm getting my Ruby Kisses concealer. So the trick in when doing makeup without your foundation, so use a concealer that is closest to your skin color. So I'm just using a little, but I don't want to use too much foundation today. I mean, I know that concealer is a pastel, but come on, setting spray on my beauty blender. This is my favorite setting spray. It's very affordable. Just I don't know about this. Just going to use it all over just to blend my makeup. Anyways, I was talking to my friend that look at what I saw the other day. I think I even told my aunt about it. She was like, is that the thing I saw? And I'm ready and I'm talking. I was like, like you go to your room and do it. Like no one is going to penalize you here. And again, abortion is legalized here. At least I think. I don't think there's any issue with abortion here. Just go to your room and do whatever. Don't stop doing it outside. And auntie was like, since she has seen that this student. Yeah. And then one time, I think it was December. I was so cold. But you see what these ladies were wearing. In my mind, I was like, are you people not cold? I know you're going to the pub. So in my mind, I was like, are you people not cold? Like, I am shaving. The funny thing when I talk about it, all my friends will be there, feel like, they're laughing like, is that what I saw? And I'm shocked. I was like, yes. And you know, like, they're like, are you shocked? That if that's what shocked. I've not seen anything, I'll see more to come. And truly, I've seen some other disgusting things. But that's the only thing I know I can still share because the other ones are. It's too bad to share. And another thing I've noticed here is that a lot of the ladies here carry their men in their head. Like, I see why many of the men are, what's the word now? Do not take them serious. Wow. So one time, I wanted to talk to one of my neighbors. And first of all, I never even approached the guy. It was the guy that approached me. I think I was taking pictures one day. He was like, if I needed help to take my pictures. I was like, okay, no problem, thanks you. Maybe it took 1 or 2. Oh, that's okay, because I feel like I didn't want to like disturb him. I mean, I've seen him in the area, but we don't talk. So one time I needed help with something. I can't even remember what I needed to do, but I'm calling my cousin. And my cousin was just didn't even speak calls. But okay, let me just ask this guy if he could help me with it. And he was with one guy. I didn't even know it was his girlfriend. I was like, hi, please can I speak with you for a minute? I need help with something. And the guy was like, oh no, you can talk to my boyfriend. I'm like, I'm not even interested in your boyfriend. Your boyfriend doesn't even know how to speak good English. Sorry to say. His English is not Korean. So, I'm like, no, you can speak to my boyfriend. Stuff like that. I'm just, no one is interested in your boyfriend. Do you get me? But the way she was acting that day, I was like, Even the guy said, I could not even see anything. I was like, it's okay, it's fine. And I didn't even know that was his girlfriend. So apparently, even before that, I saw him inside his car with another lady, and the car was, someone's doing something inside the car was. In my mind, I was like, this guy is doing something. So, and the girl there was not the girl I saw in my mind. I was like, only if you know that the boy you're even putting on your head is it's not faithful to you. So I told my cousin when I met him that, what happened with this guy? I was like, I should be leaving girls here. That girls they carry their men on their head. I was like, it makes no sense. Why you be putting like the way they carry the men here? I should just stay away. That's what they like to do. But I said, I know them that like people are misbehaving. That many of the men here are misbehaving. I'm using my eye magic palette. I'm supposed to do this before my concealer, but I've done my concealer before it. Just continue that way. I'm mixing the pink and the red on it as my blush. Back to my story, like she leave like as the girls here. The way she was acting that like I want to carry the boy from her. I think I sent my cousin a message, then replied me and told me where I could get what I needed. And that was not even the first time that thing is happening to me. One time I was going out with this dude. I was on the elevator and there was this Chinese guy that, I'm not gonna lie, it was really cute. I was like, this guy is fine. And was that. So the girl was like, not this body language, like, oh my man, that kind of thing. And so when she did that, I was just in my mind, I was just laughing because first of all, this guy is like maybe 20 max. Do you get? This guy was like 20 max. So, and even if I want to even say I want to even, I can't even, that's what I don't do, I don't even approach guys. So this doesn't mean if I want to do it, I can't even, because I'm with somebody. It should be just be so disrespectful to do that when you are with someone. You get what I mean? So I was telling my cousin about that. The other day I noticed something too, that I was with this guy and I saw this guy because he was laughing like, me too, the guy got look at another woman's get another girl's man rather. And I explained to him that I was not as if I was interested in the guy. Like the guy is just called, oh, this guy's cute, that's all. And she probably saw me looking at him. You hear me? She was just laughing at me. I was like, I'm going to learn that the girls here, and I said no wonder, because women here, a lot of time have centered men. Yes. In Waterloo, but in Toronto, I notice is a big difference. Yeah. Maybe just the ones I've seen when I go out. So next I'll be going into my e.l.f. blush. This wasn't the color of blush I wanted to get when I was buying this. I wanted something very pigmented. But this was what I saw in Walmart. Just a little. Going with my pressed powder. Set my eyes with my translucent powder. I think I used too much. So I like to use my translucent powder all over my face just to reduce the amount of oil that's gonna come out of my face. Yeah, I'm going into contour. And then one time I went to the club, so this seems to name, like sometimes when I go out, I do not want to speak to anybody, I just want to be on my own. We don't know I am an introverted individual. So sometimes I can speak to some people, sometimes I just want to be on my own. And I was watching this movie and they were asking random guys that, no, it's not a movie, it was like a social media content, asking random guys like, if a woman says no, like, what do you do? Like, oh no, that they'll be there, they'll continue pestering her. Can you imagine? Different ways in which they like to contour, but this is my favorite shade. This is what I like to do. I use like a smaller beauty blender, the mini one, then spray my setting spray on it. Going with my brush. Like this is how I like to like do the contour before I blend in. What I get after blending, then I can now go in with my setting powder and just set the middle of my nose. I also like to use that same mini beauty blender for that and just set it. And my contour is not so dark, but it's still there. These are the one I like to use. But today, thinking of, I did another bronze shade here, and then I blend it into my hair. I would have to like do my hair just again now. Like this is a lot here. Did I ever stop my gist? I can't remember when I stopped my gist. Using my blush palette. Now, light, I'm using my Lumi Glow Lotion. Just take a bit. Just give like a cool and soft glow. I also put on my forehead and on my nose, on the bridge of my nose. But you have to diffuse it first. That's the trick. Or you're going to like use a lot. Don't know if you guys can see it, but it's there, but it's looking like it's not there. If we go into the eyes, so for my eyes, I'm not using any color. I'm just going to use my powder around my eyes. So diffuse and just apply this. You can also use your bronzer shade for this. Works really well. But and I'm just going to curl my lashes up. And I'm going with my mascara. I'm using the Lumi Telescopic Mascara. Now for my lips, I always like to go with my Vaseline. And just blend it this way. Then for my eye magic palette, I'll be going with the orange color. I go back with the blue liner. So my budget, I like to pick a lot, then diffuse it. And just apply this way. Then my setting spray. I don't want to use this on my final setting spray. I want to use another one. I'll be showing you guys that one soon. This setting spray all I was in Nigeria. It's called the FBH Locking. I heard it's a good one. Put it to the test today. Does this smell like a spray? And guys, here's the final look.